Okay, fantastic morning. I'm watching Mwakoba Eba #1 station HYTV and I pay a person and my dear with him and serum April. Shannon like I said on and come at Tradian Pompasa Yadom Yakupon Adama and I'm a no winner. Yasori a single bedroom Matachama Edia Fusani into the Soyana Dasada Edia Mano. Now, yeah, there's that Emmanuel Sonom, now for the Begra HYTV so. Ye fast like I say no e ma dwuma ko o matimi eso masen ma anopai me besi kunya na fe me dia gudim ansem na no atimi dia bro eno aye Hana York Estate me dia me koso aka che say Hana York Estate ese bra na beja asase hu won faso eno nti eno bia pre so obenya asase sanse no enye dwapade aha ubomodian no nya asase bi na wodi ewusi dan na afi wodi rent kwa na sika wonya no enye fidago isi amode Ghana san ye no san so wonya asase a utumi de ye dia ope bia ewoso wodwapade a so that say dachi bia no uni hompo a utumi ja ma enchirima na say wo ma awowo ma enuti ena no ye dwapade no me se bomodi no nya asase na wonya bia eno ano no obi ama hawo obi ama boprum if you rabia meteteo ti bomadi na wo so onsanka wasase na bia so enko ni fama na wo hwe asase dia enuti ena meka cho say ano York Estate no wo ba de ben se ebia na usika sam na ofom kakra nti wo de ye wo ba na kana ye bebo ama no ya sparis kana ma na wetua ne kakra kafe ba ko bo se wo beti wani no na wetua ne nyina awie ye ne sa hwe kira kwan ewo Kalabule Junction anase mpokra no wo free enkra eba eno ane se wodi wani ebe kire babia efe ho no Star Oil wo free enkra ba wo free opa to boot no a no wese wo Star Oil wo si wo Star Oil na fi wo bisa HYTV wo sa brosan bi wo ho no brosan tententi bi esoro no mo ene ye wo ha HYTV na bobo ani mu goyi eno ane se obo wura ha no mo no abaje nchiremu afa asase no ho sa enso ena wo free Central Region so ba na say obi kan ko fantimem enso ba eno ane say no so no wutra ka mu a wopan kaswa na fe waka che driver na say obi si o Kalabule Junction and as a resurrection for no o ma so no junction ho no mu a wunya si wo ho no mu a simple na fe watwam wa cross so no bo ewrem e wo Star Oil na fe watimi aba na oni ebedi esawoso ni acheche oni emamu na fe wo nsa kan wasase na bia nso akoye wo ba nso a Mr. Sakode ne Mrs. Sakode omo no trase a omanimte omecheche oni emamu na bia so timi akoye no pay omadama eno metimi agina omometri so ehun krom na mede nsem no ebo na bia so timi akoye tinsem de me hye nsem no se edi amade a na mede ama na nsem no ena edi kan ahyase edi amaw na emom hye no se Facebook no stream live ewo Facebook ko no musisi a ko Facebook sisi a wudu Facebook page na search engine ho no bo HYTV GH Facebook no search engine ho no bo HYTV GH unya bo pe no ano no me de udem bo se wo hwe de ekoso bia wati aseti kache obi no bi so kache obi na akọbọ o nesisi a na onipa kro so nya akonya na on hwe say ne sam koso pa ne o interview be koso a special enti bomode na ko hono search engine hono type HYTV GH na nya akonya na hwe de ekoso bia wati aseti sanso na akọ YouTube nso a HYTV GH yene sa na bia so enkoye ntantem so no ma me fan sam no enhya ase dia na me hya ase afiama na ma no me kopim wo fans abante fan kabi ye kan kabi a ebia na unim abante ene TikTok abaso nyina wo wiasa fan nyina no wono na wiase nyina di na chiye pa ye ka say the most follow TikTok and I say TikTok follower pa ya abante fan kabi the whole wide world wono na TikTok no amafo di na chiye pa owo followers obia nta ewo TikTok na abante say wono de enipa ohuna na kuma beto ne yem pa na ne followers no so be sa doso pa la no address mercy okay na wo de ma yetwa ho bresi a me ba si a na afi me de sem na hyase mo fa nche me twa me ho sema bi pe ma ba si a
right na chese mo fa che asamba biem afei na de seven nkasa April se na make na me say me da man seven eba e dia na chese branch ya fene kabi no sa aya kabi ya kabi bia chese ba no se TikTok a amafo di na chiye o wi asa fa na nyina na o ye black man bia ono no o free Senegal be pie mu e wo France na o be pie mu France na say ne wa be citizen na wono won kasa TikTok won kasa da bi on kasa o TikTok da bi de bia we din mama fo follow no ye pa o ye nima bia na eya abrofo no esre ntama fo follow no pa na okopie mo Paris Saint-Germain fo e park so na ne nyina na se okochia Lano Andres Messi Kudichini wo se da obehunu no oni bia se nyina na koma beto ne yem isan se de we are branch ne da na koma so no enye fidi agro na ogire se Messi so e wo chia na ba pa followers no e be sa jampo se v enti no obonwoden ekopie mu e wo stadium ho na de enko hwe kabi ko hu Messi no kwa fa so hwe no asset right it's not just cambi no on say na o hwe Messi no na ni agiye papa we kra ka ho na cambi and they all followers ye papa Lano Andres Messi Kudichini me kra me gina ye na se me ko hia Messi na me na twetwe nkomo na se Messi o ye de na to me page o da bi ana me de to me page o bo followers na be jump rough wa wudi na yina na me na 1 million na say Messi ni followers no do na be turning to me na omotimi abehwe me ntino na kabi na ni agiye pa right na ye free kabi so na afie nkopie mu ewo Mohamed Salah so na say eba no ye fa na o chade Mohamed Salah edimba kokuta na o chade isa say o ye player bia o ahofama like o wodo edimani papa say woni Mohamed Salah pe na onu tumi le bro no so nyina no area na wo no wo se nante na wo no no mu ni sika amu ebetimi dia ware wo se ono nkasa boka etumi etue sika de ma wo nyina so obi anwale what I say obi anwale na no ntumi yin sisim what I say na bia so enko no so enko eti wo bibia ekoyi na Mohamed Salah story bia fa no ho enne amede ba no se hye no se ade a ejabi to Egypt bo no fa no Giza nipa 41 na ewu jano hye wo mo drebe na ho sam yi pa no ana Mohamed Salah etimi atabi sika boten $156,634 de ama wo mo meka se bia wo ko hawo mu na niam nko yi amfa ma wo mo no na wo mo so fa ncheche wo mo re na Mohamed Salah weni niam a wo no so eye ewo Egypt wo no monti footballer de nkase ya na dane de nyina wo se wo ye ewo bro no so na wo mo ekoso a edo no mo de mo pai bo so eta wachi na dia wo ye bia so etimi ekoso nti awale fompo omo nwale mpo watimi tueska mamo a we de smarting edman Mohamed Salah na American wo se ma de ama na wo se ni asem na sife ko hye no se ye fi wo no mo dia ene ya Samuel Etofus ebefi Cameroon na wetimi abelande wo Ghana hanmo deti na oba Ghana hanmo FIFA afana se ambassador World Cup no nyame aduma World Cup ayeko no ene ambassador ene woka World Cup no se sem no educate amanfo ye ne ebekọ World Cup no squad be fa so aye ne ma yi na ne ma betumi akoyi ne beti ne ma biase World Cup ayebekọ nyame aduma kata ntino why ambassador wono so portray World Cup no ho ensem to ochi African continent nemom nam say Cameroon Ghana de say be ya tentem so bowura hanmo na obedi oye na ansa na watimi atoa so with another country tino ne ya abrantie Samuel Litofus no fika foot omo present because a fika footer na make Cameroonian Football Federation omo present no wonai ono ba belande hanmo na fe dia woni press no etimi ahia na komodwetwe bia ekoso bia no de ato ho na fe wi a wasan akọ enti na sa enete de wonsem so edmom na wo senior 75 ko na ye fi mo no na ekopie mu e wo Chelsea the Blues for akachi dia the Blues for any abre sanse na sen akwese goal no wo mo sha mo bre ye pass struggle Timo Werner ko Lukaku nso ko enti still na no mo gusu o mo hwe striker for fun na o mo ni na chi na so ska abrante na mo bo no emu ehu pa nemom players anhwa wo mo ensa beka ba ko pa Cristiano Ronaldo abrante for Zaha ana abranti Obamia mu baako die definitely no the abeto dwana said definitely no Sky Sports report to say Chelsea definitely no and sure betimi assign mu baako na mu Ronaldo story no ya say and Chelsea 4-2 nyema yi nko adia Ronaldo ebe fi Manchester United fa ka che ko pimo Chelsea ni na say Ronaldo wadwa coach ni lie at the same time so Ronaldo ni agency and Ronaldo I ready so be kate ne sika so na sika na ba form into Chelsea ehia na dia enmanu ya no wo mototo ne ma Chelsea fo ahase twetwe nkomo ahwe ne mu sese ne ma toto ya abrantie Ronaldo Romeo bodin na mame wono so bagidin betumi abesi akan e de ma Chelsea ne boboko na bia so etimi akoyi e de ma no Eric Ten Hag no coach Edema Manchester United na nei na nia brese obetumi akwaje abrantie fano Christian Pulisic no sina card ma Chelsea the Blues boboko no no say Chelsea for e da abrantie no ebe fe Manchester United yes so moto no krasan so moto na ska no emu be duyi pa enezu ni ska ni wasa anti no ebe ya anka Chelsea for emfa abrantie no emfam wo mo mugusu a wo mo ne Chelsea for twetwe sankomo no niam tutoto ye nkwade na yes abrantie fano Christian Pulisic betumi abepiem e wo Manchester United for akachi we enso ene nsemu a ene so etwegu efa Eric Ten Hag ne Christian Pulisic the American national team captain no and won some ene e de tudwa e de ma na wo so atumi hu senia esem esifeko right amane esem no mame home so me fesi an mo na me home so kakra bi na me twa me ho sima bi pe me pa na fe me de afisem no enso atumi e de abro e ba si a
Ghana fue pasase esidai o pasase ediedi dwumadia ene miniabema me kanfo Haniyok Estate amao Haniyok Estate in Sasun prices no so affordable we want to tira kwan our kaswa Kalabule beside Star Oil filling station na Haniyok Estate won Sasun ebi ewo Dodowa Side Hills Opekuma Dentra Ofanko River Papase Dominase ena Akoti Haniyok Estate umetimi afre won ewo ahomatrufo eso 030-290-5713 and I say 059-1786-754 Haniyok Estate ana one assassin a litigation free.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Yedi wadoka mwa NJ ka mwa yedi ereshe mwa yedi Yede wado kan ho a ani je kan ho a yede ye rehye mu a ebe ye fe onya wude aje since the days of Baba Yara we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clote we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abedi Pele we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. And the days of Ebo Smith we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey mama, hey mama, it's back again. Women's Premier League is back again. I say Women's Premier League is back again. Hey mama, it's back again. Tell everybody, everybody, go tell everybody to bring back the love. Tell everybody, body, go tell everybody, see we want.
Right now, fantastic. I saw about Pimudiana, Mammy for fish seven. I am Pio so now a fish seven. I'm Michelle and free a bunch of Benjamin Futu, the fantastic method formerly for Accra House of Folk and Nay, a bunch of Bunaketimaku Pimu, our club, IFNO. At a Kandu, a whole NNA, Wokusina Kai, Saudi Arabia, 30th division, a whole and Okudin and Credia Club and owner, Nanka, Yashen Musenka, yet it is Senka, and shall whip him house of folk. A bit will be crowned on Kotoko for crab bemu, and so no, see, I make a say, the Pantiano, Echo Piemo, Saudi Arabia, Okusi, a kind of altar, Kandum, 30th division. It's I'll share to say a branch the way and they wait me assign a contract and any January, not just say a year for the agro. It is said, oh, share branch Benjamin Futua, that be Yadu Ghana beam and they were copium or Saudi Arabia, who couldn't create a hormones or no so echo this can be a good bottom no. Right now, if you want more, now you copium, baby jets as some Jan, or back on, Upe striker Oshegua na opasa padi anese baby jet asemaja si say ubaka na no me catch rew say striker de si ade akwa atwe papa de ma the senior soccer national team no ama ne man koyin fa ma Ghana kra in terms of say ye hye go padi agent dia mai ubaka me kan ho asem ade chi ye pe ne betodwa say baby jet asemaja say Ghana ye ni striker inti asemaja enko world cup ni bi Christian Achu aka the legend for in Asha say ka say Asamoah Nko World Cup ni bi menim dia one Asamoah akose kukuam en wo ka chene say Asamoah World Cup no be ko binti ye training sisi Asamoah ate ye pe wa sha say ye training de den wonim say World Cup no de kia ne ken obeko bi yen ko hwe Asamoah ni training Right, it's not just a baby jet as a more jam over corner no a name or my washasi 20 the den don't send why Cassiano. The two in Ashe, as we see our sick wake up on Quebec as we could be. You was striker and Kenyan say yes, I could inchi. Now, if you're training, we say as some more Janet then go wake up. Good. Now, yeah, to us with the other, you could Pimo Kumasi, Matema Santico Toko, and they near training, we said, Dalad Brahim, Betobe, Edu Ebunaka, Dalad Brahim, every club, and I'm saying, I say, Thames now, Echo, no, it's me, I stand in the contract, no, now, Thames, no, Scano, Mobono, I say, Sukakra, Nelson, Dalad Brahim, the Ujana, now it's where Jaji Yipa. As I to me, I was able for her. It's a near make a said, and now for site me and then I trust so much to me. I stand a contract now at Dalad Brahim. Yamia Tuma over sign when say, oh, Bodge Martin, when it new goalkeeper personal and equal to 40 me a sign woman on the Bodge Martin, Nabi Bia sweat me, Akui, Ediama, Metema, Asantico to the contract in the 2024. It is our energy a day and one so Edimount. Ye free Dalad Primo and Okumasia Santico to consent Semso, not Fieko Pimo, I will never say die until the bones are rotten. We shall build our colors with red, gold color, and blue. Not just say, how's the folk for and they Sule Alimuntari, or more prayer, no, and they got a force and biaso, one best say a branch, you know. I say, but to Jack Christ, Sule wife, who said, I've been over Prima or Copimo Kotoko. But, and near because say, I dear Mohamed Polo, legend, and Mark Cross folk. I say, on a dear, and go to Sule for Sankabaya, or Kotoko. I almost was a cardia mahasi, Nanso, Mohamed Polo patches, and Nepa, ne. Oya abrantia no ho sine so no ho so pa wonka wo petim bia bodia enka ekotoko ena nko besi akan e de ama wo mo we ensem a Mohamed Polo wono so atimi da to dwa wo hwe ensem a wo screen so na next I say I wish I was also young like Sule. I say I wish I was also young like Sule. I would have made the decision to play for Kotoko so that I can have a feel of what it is to play for a team like Kotoko. If I was in my youthful days, I would have taken the same decision as Sule. Okay, there is nothing wrong with what Sule want to do. Enti not just say one sa enkomo twetwen one akoma family twetwen sa enkomo no and o ka kire mu say Sule I decided so be free house na ne wetu ekopim Kotoko dia eno no isanse Kotoko ekopim won ma senior siki na se odebetu dwa no o se Kotoko emu ede crashing blaster or according to one na ekoye coach ho entina sa enetia Mohamed Polo so atimi da to dwa ede won sem so ede ma na won senior 70 fe ko fi sem no ma fe sia na mo me twa me ho ba sia na fe me the fact to remember no ede abona emum ko Facebook page was sia me delay time kra aha mami fa we twa to ma Kumasi baba nyara sports den ka meje bia kem Kumasi baba nyara sports stadium na impenifo eso ma wi obeka be to dwa se Anhwa stadium no Kotoko enya emfa mo CAF Champions League no na koya dwendwen bi dia makotoko na so ne ameka say baba nyara sports stadium no renovation no my na quick crowd bia to na kwa mo hwe nkonwa e wo ho no ma bia yi neat until the different no me sure say Kotoko ebebo CAF Champions League no ene empokra na league no ewo Kumasi Papa Nyara Sports Stadium right na chese sa na tie na me fi won mo na me de afisem na manensem na sia na mo maba fact to remember no so no me si ko Facebook page ni sisi a search engine won mo would won ma HYTVGH now the mia follow wonya mia follow no so pe eno one no fit na ko program bia bia obenya notification won say phone so kwen na just wonya notification no say program bi ekoso enti yene sa ko HYTVGH na mia follow no so wonya mia follow no so no what I say share na like it we share now like it the same time so between ko YouTube o ko YouTube page no so HYTVGH aha na we like na we share na bia so ekoyi ye de sana bia so etimi enkoyi ma metwa me ho kakra bi me ba sia na the fact to remember Abrosi.
you. Me don't come at you. And then I mean it be a time I miss me brother.
Ghana Fue Pasase Esidan O Pasase Ediedi Jumadia Ene Miniabema Mekanfo Haniyok Estate Amao Haniyok Estate in Sasun prices no so affordable. We want to chira kwan our Kaswa Kalabule beside Star Oil filling station na Haniyok Estate won Sasun ebi award Dodowa Shy Hills Opekuma Dentra Ofanko J River Papase Dominase Ena Akoti Haniyok Estate Ubetimi afre won ewo ahomatru fo eso 030-290-5713 and I say 059-1786-754 Haniyok Estate ana one assassin a litigation free.
Me don't come at you. And then I mean it be a time.
Say abadia na ye call fact to remember no so fact to remember na simple I simple cra but before no call Facebook is here we are Facebook one mo udu one ma na the obey ne say the obey ne say ubebo FN say HYTVGH but HYTVGH no e Facebook page no searching you one mo na me follow no so me follow no ma me pe and one no what I say ubenya notification no wanya kwanya no watumi ahwede ekoso sisi a sanso na ukọ YouTube no so HYTVGH ye ne sama misisi a na nya kwanya ahwede a eba no what I say na simple me call Ghana Football Association one mo me run Ghana Football Association Keto Kweku oban me kai say on the 15th September that was 2019 and ye to aba yeto abana keto kweku shishe bo akese after so wini ye no shishe bo oso on sata mo na dago ku fado ashe bo se one district no wa she bo se one district one factory wow enipa na she bo one district one factory na wo so wa she bo wo so she bo wo se wo so be pitch bia obe one ball hole what I say pitch bia obe one ball hole be si ne wanye pitch bia okay o si pitch bia so be green pitch bia be green be si ne keto kweku wanye mu ba kokra bo she be brain na wo she wunye mu ba ko pe kra se sponsorship kra yan kan no crunch Mr Easy a wono to nyum Nigerian artist e kan ne pre se anya kuma se santo tokopa nka mo sponsor Ghana Premier League no because ono dokotoko or Nigeria ni uba so dokotoko because ono wo shares e wo sa bet power company nim enu ti wo say sa odo no wo makotoko no enu ti na wo de sa deal no eba so had not been say kotoko a enka which means on first sponsor na enyeden emba and wo keto kwaku mu down mo no Ghana Football Association mun ntimo pa say mun market sa wo makwa seke for sponsorship Ghana Football Association between sponsorship and they sponsor Ghana Premier League no ama league na gina so pass so for years aka kakra me ya to abanti kwa bia so wani abre say wo pre na fe say na be ya be say win election biem but trust me keto kwaku buy your time under 17 enkoye fact wo buy under 17 enkoye wo buy blaster na kasa enkoye na blaster na kasa na sedada the just and Asia World Cup you to be qualify na hwekwa fa so kra ye bre I am share fa so I bre it was 1-1 and yes format na enka which we say ye kra to be qualify World Cup no katashi bi ne no di bi ne to be qualify World Cup no it wonya hwe Ghana Premier League na kasa wo so tam enko ba bia so league ne papa enka there's nowhere enka blaster ye be struggle no sa league no wo ye ni year ana wo kasa wo gin league ni dia enka ya wa no fa goalkeeper ka this time no na fence blaster striker of course sa league ni ya papa ka tukweku enka ya wa no a wo share 22 goals no enka na ono na ya dey blaster striker ba wo kasa wo gin league ni ndi na wo win sa league ni nye enti no wo gi fence local players ni ndi eti eno na ma wututu kwan na mo pre bogus omo tier first third tier second tier fourth tier and ye ba to mo ba friend say blaster so me bo na me adom bo work up but local teams no kotoko any house folk just check Jonas Stars mo Bekum Chelsea mo K5 mo class na wa nyina no one more good players equally good players anka ya jiwo di ya anka betumi agrumi wo mo na du mo either every the national team no ba ya jiwo mu ndi ntino a master of football no empejaye Nina is a friend say and I will get to Kwaku. One administration enye but the minimum to me kind of crunch now. One administration trust me because I mean mafias be being a liberty professional for a complaint. Mafias be and a coso. Uba won ko for no mu adwuma nyina wo mu ndi no kre won kasa so katuku ndi no kre bo sha wo she bia ni won ma watimi adan ama ye hu say yes because u ka say uba pitch bia be green na wo pitch bia so nya bo enti say ebia won mo no ebia wia etumi she grass no so a dia wo be ne say de bia na ye water so de bia na ye water so na nya green pitch but besin ne sa ansem a wo kan nyina no egosi aga ensema wo kan nyina no enkosi aga enti ye kan kre the last time I wo share bo wini ye me kai pa that was 15th September na me wo mo physicians and surgeon college na me wo mo bi and you said it say wo ba no enyama wo be no ahia wo de ba na wo ba beye no enye fidi agro ye say anu a de bo besia no enya no na di tua enti wo de wo sema wo kan nyina no wo tumi for free ye the first year qualify World Cup no and say I was saying to me bo abaso dabi and as Adian Kawo no and ka wo de wan yahwe na say your friends kwasian 30 time on or the call 2 times so that's it nti kan ya on na ba ko bo na baso uba ye unyahwe wo de yen kone ko tie katukweku before ansana o win election wo de yen ko tie ni nsem no bi kakra yen tie ni nsem no bi kakra.
Hi Mr. President, welcome to GTV and GTV Sports Plus.
Thank you very much.
Let me start. You've spent almost all your life in football. I'm sure at a point you had dreams of ascending to the highest throne as an NFA president. Having eventually fulfilled that dream and ambition, have you been overwhelmed by the enormity of the task? How difficult or easy have it been over the last 7 months?
Thank you very much. I think that obviously in the period leading to the elections, I had my own view as to what to expect. But obviously, on the 26th of October, 24 hours after the elections, okay, I was faced with what is real, you know what I mean? And what is real is that there's a lot of work to be done. Okay. And over time, we've been working extremely hard. Some of the staff here even say that we're going too fast. But it all stems from the fact that I believe we have a very short time to deliver. I mean, 4 years seems so long, but it's so short. And if it is that we'll be successful, it starts from day one. And just like I said on the day of the Congress, work started that very day. So we are in for it.
You know, the outbreak of the COVID pandemic, I know it's been quite devastating, but how tough has it been for you?
I do not want to challenge the work of the Almighty God. Having said that, as human as we are, we're very expectant indeed. Like you rightly said, I think that the strategies and the way we started the season was pretty good. We saw a rise in passion levels. Unfortunately, Corona arrived. But I think we've made very good use of this period where we've had various and varied degrees of engagement on all fronts with all key stakeholders. And I am very sure that if the Almighty God opens the gates again, people would see all the good works that we have done. But so far, it's been a blessing in disguise. So for some of us, we've had the time to sit back, look at how we started the journey, what we think has to be done a lot better. And I think that once we have the green light to play football again, to enjoy our footy again, it will come good.
So I do know that you've presented a paper to government for assistance. How has the response been?
We have presented not one proposition, not two.
What is that right now that you're going through?
Well, I think that it's been a very long journey. It's been quite stressful, but throughout the journey, we've kept the belief. We've kept the belief that we have the capacity to ignite passion and to create work for everybody. The campaign team led by Jose Lassan have been amazing. We fought among ourselves, we disagreed, but we at the end of the day agreed on the common cause. I think that our message was very clear to the electorates. Attendance at Congress today was fantastic. I drove my hat out to all the other aspirants from George Efriye, Osei Palmer, Wilfred Osei Palmer, and Kamara, and Amanda Nanayao, my brother, Fred Papo, my senior brother, everybody. I think that together we've been winners. Okay, we have shown to the entire sporting populace and the world at large that we can disagree on policies, but we can agree as human beings in terms of decision making. And today we made a decision to take Ghana forward, Ghana football, 2 or 5 notches.
Before GTV, so interview now the ace journalist Kobwa to me and come on to you know. Well, what is the car was say COVID, no? What I say, and they said there will be COVID. Well, yes, to me, what this one now, what they are show cashing into another they are showing cashing, you know, say cashing into a man, Yama, Uncle Yaman, which already know what they are showing COVID. But you promise a lot, which Bobby Bray. But what to me for Philly, I'm telling you, what to me, because wake up on it, wake up on your 2 times. And say that one day, be about bit me up from where you are, bit me up from with a buying support, no, wake up, no, bit me up, trust me. But who no, say Ghana Premier League, no, I'll bit me up, Pajan ye, na, yeah, we have fetch Sika, here, Tanzania League, no, Tanzania League, na me check it, Tanzania League, no, oh yeah, winner, no, you'll be winning league, no, as a winner, no, or J 5 billion. What must I say? 5 billion, eh? Almost shillings, no. Kenya so we need legacy card that's when yes kaketwa. Ghana league o buy keteku that we kai me kakra na sache mabufu. Ska papa bia na so. Ska bia dey na woni sponsor. Nti better na friends club no matumi nya sika. Edu ba bi na buy na support no mu yiyi coins kakra e dey ma wo mo. Na be na wo dey share COVID. Ye one na wo share ball. We see no matter what. We are action man. Etu be ya adwuma. O ka say ye dwa enum keke. Ye nwa enum saa. You can't. What do enum a emesi ajigun ama. And see how difficult our bre. I do not be say na upon some influence. Any nyama bi o maya Mr. Easy ankasa confirm say eye Kumasi Santo Otoko and nam so a ene amaso o mo de sa bet power no aba ebe sponsor Ghana Premier League. Nka betu nka wonya sponsor. Wo de sa na wota maso and wo time aso no so a ye beto abanti e na wa hyase start ka say we say enemies atamfo no na wo atamfo ben want to anya adwuma no o 4 years no want to me anya adwuma no. To be frank with you, the league no under 17 still yet me enko yenim under 20 still yet me enko yenim. What must say? The national team itself no kra no enye papa bia. To be frank with you, na no me kan me see any striker bia. And asema me ka de chi ya na makofa asema jan ade chi ya makofa mo say asema jan enko wake up it mo hihase say asema jan enko wake up because you don't have it. Wo buy 4 years no dey na wo de to akwam a wo hwe say betumi anya players a wo betumi aboa wake up ko hwe amafo pepe the way Senegal for pepe even with Sadio Mane mu nyina yes still ko hwe kwan mo fa so boabo mo ko hwe kwan ya I mean countries, African countries, no, prepare for the World Cup. Mama qualify no. Now we there in preparation. Why? Preparation, Papa Bay. All that you people know say why a budget. I mean, go now they are come out buy now for magic. mo ko work up na no mo ko diska na se no work up me se yen ko ba bia yen ko nkoduru hwe I'm telling you ye kwa ko diska it will buy one demonstration no enye to be frank with you aba be say football no oba nim job dwa nyina ye kan so ma yen ka na mo kasa say enemies atamfo bay want me anya wo da kwashe covid ade say president na kasa de she covid to so de she covid nti anya hwe adwuma no utumi nye and I'm hoping say won betu kwan bia so trust me because I say kind of kire affairs downfall because one say your football no anko yi a say this year mpona ya struggle sa no and nyame aduma na say dey bebre we kwa fa so e qualify work up me ka kire wa I was at the stadium we could do 3 days we Kumasi mafiaism bi omo ye pa ne niema omo ye pa sana work up it me qualify ye ketoro ku well for to trust me me kwa ban no for so no to be qualify work up no because onim say an qualify work up wonim say work up no qualification no e factor to ono ankasa ne political gains what I say because I know keke no for the campaign it enyema aban no politicians or swad ko gu Kumasi egna ne ho no mo omo swad gu Kumasi kwan me fa so bia omo qualify work up no me qualify anya wo keto ko effort ka nko ade ka boa ka wutumi qualify work up ne da edu ba bi na je wonsam edu ba bi aje wonsam ena om contact na na aponsam se kwan bia so they have the links any David Obenya komo so omo any CAF enkasa because omo wo direct Emmanuel Dasobre direct link with CAF kasa yansa na yetumi nya Kumasi Baba Nyara Sports Stadium ebo work up no e fa say qualification no the last match against Nigeria e wo ho no mo it you have no links no nim now what was square just say links no you don't have it administratively no we are poor and so far oba nyama ko ye ba ma fo nka no kra no nkyerɛw and some of the media ne pampaw so why adwuma you've done nothing onya hu and 4 years now I see 2 simple entitia I will see you if you want more simple it's na make a cho no administratively no we are poor it's no mo tam no so a and ye be hwe wa no sisi ade ye jeja tam no so a won say yes enyina be ko a company asa obi free because your football no any sporting activities no I will say to be pija na kosro simple as that and na make a cho no kra na maka no me fa no kra na sie aha right and check crash and say me guest be rusty you hanamo a special guest pa a special guest Mr. Kofi Kranten wunnim no me ka Mr. Kofi Kranten wunnim no aha but me ma wo no ho ame abakosem kakra bia ana no ho profile kakra bia bo so ni pakese pa aha okon school ewo US that's New York University Mr. Kofi Kranten obeka okan omo fight ya sa ropa na so amanane fo no amanane boges omo so abana so omo tubi no what ma say oka meka say onu kra na ye more activist o fight ye say no omo so no so omo so ye dey eto abane bi okan wo bi power fight for many years and we show you no 1966 and they were 56 years nti obo wura ha no mo a na say menya writer na waka chem say menya right for 56 years onye ni paketo o ye big time politician and American ho asem a kire no wa ye niam bebre me mpese me yiyi niam no bebre na mo obo wura ha no mo a na yetimi atwe nkomo nipa kase pa ono wa independent candidate ono so ehwe nim say obetu fanka nyame adoma 2024 na Beni kra no omo independent candidate na win president sometimes ago what must say it's Ghana bro say yes you be say adwen say both parties both parties no both MPP NDC CC and obi ehom lie say yaso anso ene yaso ansa ye hu omo mienu nyina ye hu bibia wo omo nyina enti no dey no mo de bebre fact bro say Ghana for adwen say sound na yenya independent candidate bi obi are very assiduous the leadership quality no e wo soro you see obi one ma you feel say ebia only party bia ni munti no ye bu ni say ye bu na bonfia no the first any pan say we independent candidate that's not me say or ye ni paketo a a level headed person and am na be twen komo no na the vision nso eso yipa vision nyam na meka kire o mo ebreso no me man kwan no ba ha no a o say yes ti no so ba na ono so no fire no me di hia no me di fire ni hia na no so the fire na hia me na ye koye na bia so timi koye ti wo de ma me twa mo so me pe na mra sia na mo ko Facebook ni sisi a wo do Facebook one ma de abere say type HYTV search engine one mo Facebook page no search engine one mo type HYTVGH correct na wo mia follow no unya mia follow no so no no awie ubenya notification da ne da nyina na bia so timi akoye me ba sia me nkokra me ba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Yadi wadoka hwa Niji ka hwa Yadi ereshe mwa Yadi wadoka hwa Niji ka hwa Yadi ereshe mwa Ebe yefe Onyawude Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clote, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abedi Pele, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. And the days of Ebo Smith, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. It's back again. Women's Premier League is back again. I say Women's Premier League is back again. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. It's back again. Tell everybody, tell them. Everybody, tell them. Go tell everybody to bring back the Louvre. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody, see we won't bring the Louvre back. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody, bring back the Louvre. Tell everybody, body. Go tell everybody, bring back the Louvre. Say Ghana, 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 Ghana. Say Premier League, Premier League, Division 1 League, Division 1 League, Women's Premier League, Women's Premier League. It's back again, 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 it's back again. Ghana, 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 Ghana. Premier League, Division 1 League, Women's Premier League. It's back again. Je did. No, Ref. Young Quay. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. One more time. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again.
Reggie on it.
Right, it's my samba BMC and I make catch on my catcher say care to Preku administration there totally poor. Trust me, because I'm a physicians and surgeons college. Or no, share Bobby Bree, wash and wash and be bree. You beside the questions to be bree, but Nina, me out to date me who ye. Out to date me young who dear way to me aye. And I say it to me can no crano, the crano it to me can. And I make catch on, I said and I may call commercial break me catch say you will come as you could need 3 days. When I Ghana be first I qualify wake up I was there. Politicians when you first mafiaism and yama ya Ghana to me qualify. It wasn't Ketuku or not I say a genisem. What must say a genisem totally. Because not baby I do know, not Eddie. And see the first year I qualify wake up and that's not necessarily means that Ketuku idea. Trust me, I just credit no emana and yama be aka we chino. I'm sure you and obey on yen maybe promise or yeah no. Would the corner commisa no say waiting for failure and I know we video no and Cobra boy bisano and or the question COVID say it was due to COVID and Obia politicians in Obia COVID Obia COVID Sana Ghana for no Omuka the Bia COVID right me ba maybe me try me ba me guess na ba studios na I'm try me me pe me ba e be twem.
Ghana fue pasase esidai o pasase ediedi dwumadia ene minia bema me kanfo Haniyok Estate amao Haniyok Estate in Sasin prices no so affordable we want to chira kwan our kaswa Kalabule beside Star Oil filling station na Haniyok Estate won Sasin ebi ewo Dodowa Shy Hills Opekuma Dentra Ofankoje River Papase Dominase ena Akoti Haniyok Estate umetimi afre won ewo ahomatrufo eso 030-290-5713 and I say 059-1786-754 Haniyok Estate ana one assassin a litigation free me no come to and na mini bia tema.
Right, it's no yasaba bimuja na ko Facebook ni sisi a misreo ra Facebook one mudu one ma searching you one mo just type HYTVGH wonya bo HYTVGH na afi watimi me follow no so bon say blue indication ho eno na e follow no me aso wonya click so eno ano no na afi watimi anya notification no wonya konya no so ahwe de ekoso sanse na me special guest no me no e ba twem komo ni nyina no e sporting activity ana sporting fraternity no e de na ekoso wono so ene wo tu franka nyame adoma 2024 or independent candidate Mr. Kofi Cranton or any packetwa say na make a chiro no na why any member say na make a chiro say movement alliance maybe san me do one man maybe san it's as say concerning rope and opening we play good rope and make us say nim so far the beer sa rope no issue no I could do or no pay any bit me I the only person bet me a church mu na bia so etimi akoya ansa na ewura mu a ya tumi ewura ewo sports no as I say ni nyina no ehia me pa opani me mo wache
nua now today
nyame adom
HYTV ye do must say then ekoso
bibia ekoso na hwe body no so body ni gina so
oh gobe ye di gobe sa nti gobe
oh fine
ni ya hye tarbe se sia
na se na gobe di no se ne dia woken di se nyame adom a na se o man mu adin dia woken se gobe di na se mu adin
kokone ne garin carbs o di carbs
so what is this aduan no
yes ejana well share
nti u pa say emunye won
now yet ya sim kwande emuye nti ye be fa de se emuye nti de nyankopon asese wa man ya ho den na
okay me da se wa banso me san me da se pa say yes be a free wait me be do ha but first of all who is Mr. Kofi Cranton?
Kofi Cranton de wo me wo Kolibu me ko school Agri Memorial International wo Ghana Broadcasting in Cheng.
Okay.
Me ko University Primary wo Cape Coast na me ko Garrison Primary wo Kumasi na me ko Adisado College.
Okay.
So well, back to Cape Coast Bio. Na me ko London kakra na me ko New York. Most of my life in New York and Atlanta.
No show body na in a face no cry. New York face.
Kahri. Abubushi heya ni yo. Abubushi. Nti you yet Latabio Koshi.
Okay, Latabio Koshi. Obi kan Latabai Koshi.
Latabio Koshi wo Mochi Road no so Zoti neighborhood ho. Nti tesi ye Ghana since 2019. Ye buy ye be queen say ye betumi akọ 2020 na electoral commission yi film na sisi ya samba bio 2024 inti 2024 no ye run as independent candidate for president inti muna mo me kan ho na momoaye muna mo me kan ho na momoaye na niama ye ne nkoso because ye pese ye ma Ghana sisa a new vision for Ghana you woman.
Fantastic. Not just a new vision for Ghana. No, Wokasa no, Woka, say Obebwa, na Nyamaso Akoyi, which means never be coach.
Well, we share baby a Ghana Gina CC. I made the sell the sports up because sports here, baby, SSA and Ghana. Say Ghana no physically no. Yeah, brilliant.
Okay.
In terms of sports, we share. Sports, baby, all areas of sports, all sporting activity.
Athlete.
Well, what I say, the problem is leadership. Leadership in sports. And near me say, would you go up when na sports need to me tumpong? Wanga sabi will you won't say won't train, go through training. Now training, no, you see. Sporting activity, no, and yet just physical. Even though you're physically fit.
But more about sporting activity.
Okay.
But let me be say, Uba 2019, no, you came to contest for the presidential position because of say Bibia Kochiwana and
of course. Yeah. Say we share Ghana, baby, Ghana, 400 billion cedis of debts, over 3 million of young graduates. Of Kankwa, over 3 million of young most premium stock. Young graduates, you know, we near Jumaye. What I say, young debt to GDP 84 plus. You need industry beer into run a good baby, so you need agriculture. You need agriculture output being out of my agro-based industries. Now, what to me add value in why export. Into you to me yet, our process now. wonni foreign exchange reserve wonni foreign exchange reserve a wobɛkɔ akɔbɔ bosia na de akɔdigua on a friend commodities market what you say nti saa process of de bia na yɛkɔbɔ bosia na de akɔtɔ nneɛma Ghana hia no ɛno na ama yɛn debt akɔsoro no what you say nti yɛni trade surplus bia just say yɛn nneɛma bia nkɔ abrochiru bi tɔ no ama yɛn dollars bibia yɛn yɛkɔtɔ no yɛsesa yɛn agudi yɛn oil yɛn gold yɛn cocoa yɛn nang no na de akɔtɔ abro ɛne banche de abakrom ha there's something seriously wrong with the leadership.
Right. But if there's something wrong with the leadership, what do you want to contest for presidential position and son what contribute to the nation's Mekasebia development? You know, so Kaubai also Nimdia Wono also they are support to Abia the government in power no. And I say what approach you and Oman and Jantumana.
You since you started throw papers, white papers on. Senate was a science tax code. See, Nipa taxes were Ghana in 30%. Taxes were Ghana in 30%. Inti ye mawon Senate say what yen would DJ taxes, which is our friend is integrated national ID and address system. You need integrated national ID and address system. Want to make count for ubia and word to me. I implement a process as with your taxes. Inti ye nianu bi. Ya we ban wa besesan NDC ban wa besesan MPP ban wa besesan. Inti je wunya one government through interior sector no. What friend say a national data repository system. So why you abruchin enya de ding. But we need governments are what interest in omanum says so why yes. Inti sanya mane nwa kwema. How do you account for the people are what take omanum? What do you say?
But I think this government is doing it. Address system now.
How many times why you attempt to change it? What about Ben? What do you say? What about what was a sign last for 2019 to 2020? Jim Mensa Baba same view. Into 10 hours say Debbie friending birth certificate, I would say yeah form of ID. So Supreme Court ruling. Into sign inconsistencies no eboyenka nedien koyenchi. Oh, into there's some basics bia. So ubi ya unso on tinia maybe say. Enye science. Bibia epesi yen ubia yedidao. I perfectino. Into per se we are as I say we and the same thing goes for soccer and young sports. Ubia perfecte until you take a page out of that book, not one modified to suit what geographical area, what culture, and what variables. I don't know. Towards nipano, who change no, what massage no. Now when you're the best of new, be a better the down.
Do you think say only a year a bit me abua or money development in terms of this address system no?
Well, and then the basis. Okay. So say everybody has to be counted for. Nubi also has to pay their share. Okay. What did I say? Inti so we we start the process of now tweaking, putting things in place. So obia owo omeimu yebribi. Now we identify and say we kufi. When I wish ye ball a goo ha, as I say, what charge you? No, I say, then there has to tamper order. Okay. Because order ni BBM, we be a sandang guabum bu. What I say, inti as I say, yes, I don't know. Now, obiano, we be there's a consequence. Consequence, and say, we be BS what punish what we'll be now one punish. We be BS say, what boabasun so waiting up boabasun.
Now maybe sir na make say what is the contribution we buy and so no what the support to buy no, and you talk of this address system no contribution no, but apart from that address system no so far the idea no what me I share to the government I also say abani ya a bit me aboa man rather say e be a normal off.
Okay. One of the major things they say me pushy for the representation of the People's Amendment Act. What friend is Ropano. Now, the intia who here and say Ghana for war amanoneno war influx of cash. Sika or the ba or Ghana no ye between $6 to $8 billion a year. Of course. We are seeing
bogus one man no
amanone sika or the be share Ghana money between $6 to $8 billion a year. What do you say? No country has ever given Ghana $6 to $8 billion a year.
Wow.
So what yes? Ghana for a breaching the size can be share Ghana economy at 0%. 0%. I won't no strings attached. We see. Yet the 6 to 8 billion about Guma system. Monfanya na mope. What be here bush your foot to Adrian to Nuru ko school. Yenuma Niama Bibri. Inti obviously it's Clinton Global Initiatives.
I know I should come and mama now.
Clinton Global Initiatives. See, for every $1 biya Ghana for our breach the ban. What $3?
Okay.
That what friend say a liquid account which is say sika between and right away. Inti say the Clinton Global Initiative says sika no ho. Not to say every $1 bill will be the ban or $24 that baby. Inti near can say anka government yes smarter as a sanka. Sa abruchiri for Ghana for abruchiri na won won kasa na krokro won na ye won niam asenia pampa won na wodi sika na beba mo. Wo momo no bibia wo ye bia wo pia won say won ko port with the car ba wo to car 5,000 na be do ha wo si tua 8,000 cedis $8,000 na fei inti why create an artificial hardship for abrochiri for so whatever what the bibia ba no be je say na wo bem port wo port de wo kotwe na de wo ho oh inti obia ba ni experience ni ye negative so much so on person ba view no aka ho na ropa no so you say abrochiri for babia obi or say you put your money where your mouth is babia wo koma won ho na do sika ko inti obi to me vote wo mamu a ho no invest inti magana fu into me in vote na won feel say wo to me ka nia ekoso wo Ghana ni bi na wasesa niama wo de won sika aba na wo de abaye investment because sika wo de won sika nya ba gap da ho say 400 billion no government o man bi antumi mouse sika no to pay what you say but say wo ye niama yi na wo ma abrochiri food won sika be share system no wo ba na niama gu akwa mu
nti wo hwa na say wo friend say enu nti na wo push for ropa no
enu nti na push ye de court ye di nkunim nso wo mfa anya adwuma bi sine wo implement ye
ni nyina ye wo make say wo contribution power
of course free money is anka government nya nti say wa anya no na akọ bobosia that there's something wrong with the leadership. I mean this is say nya there is
these are some of the things in here wo person no
of course because ye ba in 24 hours statement you be released in ye be order electoral commission say or implement ropa in 24 hours.
In 24
hours.
Wow.
Of course. Mahama Abekes is
24
hours. The first
where the Bosha Cassia power, if I get to request, I want to mean this you.
Oh, there said it in say Sikan will hold it up. First of all, Bishop Bois, besides say variables of set side and a beba into implementation are possible. And Timmy Bissau say Ketokuriku, you Bosch or Koshi, went to me and so no. Variables, no, the young variables, no, near more viable.
And say a friend President Kufado. No, so Bosch will be answer no background. Obekaya, even Nas this MP crown. But Bosch had almost
the difference is Adia mean ni power. Me wabruchiri na time na me American citizen no me force say SSA eba into existence. No implementing say so Nyankopon aboa ne ye nimdie ne power ne wode ya hye position a ye betumi ma sade na a year we dey say there will be a reluctance in say ye be ma sade na aye adwuma. I mean just think about it. Ye ni hwe kura na ye pushi ya ma ye di nkunim wo court.
Okay. So what are some of the 5 major visions Okuta for this nation?
I say Ghana ye change your constitution. Number 1. As I say you abolish ex gratia in Article 71. As I say, you reduce the number of legislatures from 275 to 20.
Okay.
275 to 20. As I say, you cancel regional leaders, regional ministers. Regional ministers, you useless position.
Regional ministers,
useless positions.
Right. Where serious, you know, as I mentioned, we know, what I say. and no catch on Mr. Kofi Krante say regional ministers in a position be useless.
Totally useless.
Simple.
Totally useless. What do you say? And we're going to invest $10 billion into agriculture for the next 10 years.
Okay.
Because you hear output of agriculture, near the feeding and agro-based industries, na enya value on nearma aye exportable, global quality, near export, near foreign exchange reserves, near the trade down yen 400 billion cities of debt, no, near the increasing yen industries, near the more foreign exchange reserves, na yet the build it, yet the absorb unemployment, high unemployment in our near the Nyeska, Nankrofu lives a change, Nagana yet the baby a bear crabberry.
Right, and we check the population of Ghana, make us almost 30 something
31 million.
31 million now. And we check here, Omano, make us half of Omano, the football. What am I saying? And I say, football class sporting activities in Ghana for any jumper. But we manifesto no, Trono. What factor sports?
Absolutely.
That's what factor women swa. Angle bay and our fact.
Near sports here ne no quality ne leadership. Well, see yenya leadership. Not what to talk near me ye. Not what did the most competent group of trainers say ba. Not what to me who says sports no a science so.
Okay.
Science as I said, number one, trainers no crano. He know what te. Besides say one hour train young sport professionals. He know what te. One at sitting with them. Yeah, won't Onipa won't to me when ye no won't to me expect or no back train you be a train
in terms of coaching, in terms of refereeing,
refereeing, even the nutritional factor of young sports near wrong. Nutritional factor, as I say, you mineralize one. Mineralization, 60 vitamins, 16 60 minerals, 16 vitamins, 12 amino acids, 2 essential fatty acids. Will be says when you madia and one mana. What fine ye juma? Then me share in Crofobia no Ghana's most strongest war TV3. No work can see Adrian Crano, one protocol for Adrian. Into here then now to me build muscle, no which me left, which me you were friending
Ghana strongest.
Exactly. What you say? Into nutrition, the science of nutrition, as I said, BIM. 1 PMA, positive mental attitude. What you say? Ghana for Kobo soccer. They don't have the PMA. Positive mental attitude. There's no synergy among the players, no.
Right, the whole kind of positive mental attitude, very necessary. But Ghana, no more shesa, near man or more pen or show so. Inti or shoes, and I maybe say, and nay, Ghana, we share Bismarck performance with the national team under 20 and 17, and click and from my even when Katureku by 18 qualify under 17 World Cup, 18 qualify under 20. And it means so a World Cup on the career, the way we struggled and son 18 World Cup, 2018, 18 qualify World Cup. These are some of the things that Ghana for us omodo ewumupa wo ba no dear ben and all the big council amasa ye football no even your leg no mpo ye to me your sponsorship and share leg na leg in peja.
Of course, let Americans say hey, corporate sponsorships, no, one who say there is group billboard and our soccer no fraternity no ye bibia eye progressive bibi woman no be invest. Yema young soccer and young sports in Yakono. Ko yem park so kra na ko he grass kra we dua nko football soccer or so na tedengana. Hwe young stadiums. Ho Yakono. Hwe training a would de soccer we friend and players FM. Enya Yakono. As I say yem sports ni Yakono na nipa invest. What you say? Inti mama young jerseys cry shekra no unse atot yi ugbe ho bi mpaboa na fa chia no mane ade. What you say? As I say young sport industry no akono. You have to invest. As I say you invest. Na government in any cohort you recruit the most sophisticated trainers are what they a science based approach into young soccer and young sports na young use science based. What can say young crofunu nu hoya and quite one crofunu nu hoya. But leadership is when you take somebody from where they are to where they need to be. ɛno ni leadership no what you say nti ɛno ni yɛre ba bɛyɛ
ɛno na yɛ ba bɛyɛ but wo kasa no na wo ka we nyinaa no is to the government in power currently
sanity
but what administration in terms of say ne ya to ba and Mr. Kofi Kranton etime edi nkunim ya nyina o say yi ɛno no ɛniema bɛ sɛ eduban ɛna wo bɛyɛ ɛde pija the sports
ye be invest sika ye be invest sika de the man the most competent ye no won atena se na ya hwɛ niema a how players no most of the times no problems what sporting industries no kra won consult players and the athletes no what you say inti one necessary yenya the true ayifi say eyi na yepe na ye change their whole life about sports necessary yes sir inti places are work or training places are work we yet one kwa manoni and I yet want to kwanga send yes you hwe won fa we have to invest money into this industry sikana so enye say we to sikagumu keke it has to go into competent hands there has to be a success model no friends is success model no just say bibia no a calibrated there has to be no friends say accountability to processes into we sika say 150 players and say we making sure say a call players no ho ne ade sa na yenye be because sika pi yira was a sporting a yimu sika konkrofu bi ho say sika kon ho say we invest on the ground no na ne nam nkrofo account mu sa na yemi na yen ye bade a that's the end of it we ye coach na ne say we ye no wanya ye be wadi it's just anya debatable well near replace so with obi oye competent or the needs of the players and the athletes na say bisa say is does the coaches are the coaches no any trainers no have a relationship with the athletes no ne eyina that's not what's happening inti we your coach you have to have a relationship with your players and the athletes no one can one needs intro not from a needs based perspective no solve their problems so ono player na ni nya de oye no ho a on to perform what you say what corner the players kasa many players kasa what catch me say they're not happy but ebia ohia any ahochiri nti yes say why ya no wonya sika kaka the players are not happy you can have your friend an outstanding performance nti players they have to be happy but they cannot be happy when one guy will make a decision no they're not in direct communication with the people on the ground what you say nti that's young perspective in sports you know they say we have to sit down with the players if it means that every player no you sit with them give them half an hour to an hour for them to just voice out one concerns one needs and you fix it from that point not from say what your office on my way we as you change the attitude or no player who say you care about them genuinely and they will perform
great na ukasa no na uka say ban say financial aspect would be for the right channel na o matumi cross kan no de aye djuma also matumi
ne be accountable
so it be accountable but when his excellency another Abraham Kwaku do president in power currently ban bosha o share no ono so share the same bosha bi sika no wa me de be ma no one so mu yie na one yin si
consequence
yes consequence may say but
consequence
be sin ne
consequence
so we make us we dey yateda enkusi aga
oh sanity but now the problem is say so wutie Nana Akufo-Addo wutie Bawumia wutie Mahama now hwese no one answer questions na enye sa na Kofi Kranton me answer the questions
okay
munkotie won na afi nso yenso minua na tene say obi a obe cause financial loss say eye soccer mu say eye sports mu say eye government mu wo cause financial loss capital punishment starting from the president inti na do bay na no akire okisi kro nchire biye what you say from NDC from MPP ye no cause financial loss starting from the president capital punishment what you say ye mo sika na wo de koy civil sifa invest in sports fa ma new coaches mo fanye playground ya you have to account for it what you say one ya capital punishment it's as simple as that inti that's where you know you're different from Mahamu Bahumio Akufo-Addo one way failures
right
failures complete failures
completely failures already okay say original ministers no nyina no useless sa position no or ba best crab if you want na mami anka we nkyerɛ wo san sɛ Mr. Kofi Kranten wɔyɛ nipa ketewa ɛna ogyina ha nam no ebia na hu ne sɛ mene ne gyina nti wɔga so nipa ketewa yɛ nipa kɛseɛ paa ɛna ne mene no gyina ha nam a yɛ twetwe nkɔmɔ na wopɛ sɛ wodwane ne group na ɛnkyɛ the WhatsApp no ebeto the WhatsApp number no beto screen so na wadwane ne group no it's a very necessary pa number no na that screen so no ha 059 999 5120 ha fa and WhatsApp line it's what the join group no na WhatsApp no na idea bia ne vision ne plans nyina a wode ba on board no na me adoma wakasa obehu na ni abrepa na se munya gidie wonimu na mo so moto aba no mana begin so betu because independent candidate no se wonimu a ebi asida e obeni what I say aha onso tumi wini ye enti ebi ebetumi asi e wo ha no enti no memma no nyo wonwa enti no o wale enti no sa enete enti ye no sa na nyame ya duma 2024 no nka sa two party nke yi omu yem pack omu what I say yem pack omu tu ni na say ye hu omu da na da since 1992 ye hu NDC ye hu friends from Kufuor's regime 2000 ye hu omu nyina they say two parties nyina ya so ansuo and ya so ansa ye hu obia na performance now no Ghana is fed up and of course it's no Mr. Kofi Kranten and so oba the vision of the man say onya gide onmu ko ade a me sure say bibia betimi akoyi o man Ghana mpuntu enti na nei mene Mr. Kofi Kranten twenkomo na initially no bibisa say adeti na wan dwane bo party no baako NDC ho MPP ho adeti na almost na the strong parties make say ebedu ebi kwaka say Ghana the two party state adeti na wan dwane mu baako
yo netini say wo pese wo yi bibi now this is obi shebrea won join no ye big ana no ye popular wo join no di no kware na nia owa akoma o de beye adepa ama omangma NDC ni MPP after yako offending IMF 17 times obi a wa adwene pa no wo kese wo to me justify say na wo IMF 17 times wo bra mistakes e do IMF no bibia ansesa the same thing wo ni adwene pa magana wo hwe say na kruma yifi omanmu ayifi na eniama nkoyie akwan asei nsu to 30 minutes na baby yiri yenye aduan ni kokoba ko 5 cedis nipa be 3 no kokoba ko 5 cedis wo hwe wo friending 3 million graduates awoni adwuma ya nye baby a wo se wo disika ko join NDC ni MPP wo se wo your money ya wo be join Kofi Kranten
okay
so what I say
wo se wo nya sika
enye wo nya sika Wunya sika is with the assumption say wako yeju maybe you enye sika upese wudi sika nyafu enya wodia krombo me here these are two parties here criminal organizations NDC and MPP we are criminal organizations we are
two ni na
criminal when you criminal organizations are anka 400 billion cedis na say ye dekano then na when to me aye oh catch them here so a simple math well New York but for baby say Hudson Yards what they $25 billion no what they see every year be our income if you move by year $19 billion what a 25 billion no they see Hudson Yards when your income of 19 billion a year a generally year juma you had the 77 billion in the last 7 years and ne sika yira we young for two then na say sika na tumi aye MPP ba wan kese wo ba NDC fo ya kromfo ni yenyi won fi oni inform ra enye sa no kan ni me na meka sa na NDC kan MPP kan ni wo ba okete bakra wan kire no NDC ni o ye okete bakra won kire ni nti say NDC reba wo dada Ghana fo ase o MPP fu nye mo ma memra wo be kan ya ma nyansa ni ye adwuma time wo in opposition wo nya vote ma won pe na nyansa na yira na ye sikedi what you say on DC kase MPP your trofo nso wo ba won kire won MPP kase NDC your trofo wo ba won kire won nti na won banu ni na ya trofo because obi atumi approve say won yonko ya trofo nso won kire obi aye why would you want to work with them ti me de ye ba say ye ba be yo man ni ye be mo man no so ye be ma youth edi ye nya nwuma I invest in sports na youth to me aye niam an wani je hu
na youth no ebedi yie no na me bisa say the whole region no we say RFA chairmen apart from the GFE president you know RFA chairmen over the whole region that currently no make say be 10 regions no and click pa and apart from the 16 regions uba again na obey that regional football na regional sports and activities no na etimi etumpon because regions no nyina hwe be gun kan e Kumasi and bia tadi bi longer half but the rest na I say ejija wo mo kakra again na uba so vision
trick na woman say economic activity e wo Ghana ni na no he na wo eni nkran e wo Kumasi wo yi won fima ba bia adwo nkran Kumasi kra ye den so what you say into football no will go where economic activity is me bo aka kire into to cause regional capitals no and our regions no to be vibrant again in sports no as I say woman economic activity no start here then a boom wo ho enuma necessary ko ho enuma nko ho ahina no ko football na sika na de koto den na de akọ football
because oni sika do ko stadium
oh media na park kra imrechi regress ni na imrechi one regress ni na nti wo ko boso ka no we tutu debi what you say nti economic activity kwa na this it brings sika na what your parks
so in your regime no obey sade we
absolutely right. Absolutely there's no way I will bet me up my football let to pon baby hey enije wo ha na nipa ko sports e wo wiase baby ya enije wo ha na nipa kotokum he New York obitumi tia be $300 wo friend wo baseball games near there obitumi tia $500 $1,000 to me ko one game what you say because enije wo ho sika wo ho na wo ni enije mu sika su bi ni kotokum wo tena baby akọ ball what taso ni ama bankran na circle ton dog chain what you say inti nipa there's no economic activity or regions inti the main thing they say we perceive football and the sports boomer and your sports now focus on economic activity and no na boys senior juma girls senior juma na ni je ba one of the ball
right fantastic egusua me sports no ho sensa say ho hia ye pa sports mo adwuma na me ye ntina ho questions na we say me dey pay me say Kofi Kwanten na me bisa o nyame atuma ye ko Nations Cup 2023 e wo Avicus ye san World Cup e wo enim enche this year ya that's November 21st by 20th mpona you made na asha sia na sa say ye for dia pa na beka afa ho ebia enempo ene ya we presenter nkade na wo say wo to akram na sa Nations Cup because Ghana trophies aboye for many years you share trophy and there na obey na boa na yesu etimi afa crew ano say ne wo na we ka we presenter and I say bia wutu aban no for so ana jefe no for
winning munchi na mekani winning is in the mind winning wo championship game
yeah e wa
adwemu no ne wo because physical activity no obia ya physically good because when you're physically good and current qualify so but intino the top tier of the people who move from being good to outstanding no adwene muntie na meka no inti the mental state of young players no any championship level inti denti na eni ho the players no don't feel valued me na meka kire mo
yes no
don't feel valued
but players na your muska
value doesn't come from sikanya and sikama and your relationship one coaches ni one panyimfo na ni players no one say opa fa line tum na bisa players no what you say as say one my players no feel valued so we invest in one na how one abrabom he obi ho no mo be bosso ka no kra mpo a when you aduadi when you sika nso e bia ne marital situation all the problem ne yire anane mami yare ne ade obi am freni mi say he sadi na e na mi say a culture the psychological aspect of winning no ene na edi nyan because at the championship level no everything matters everything. And yes, you can out there, oh, my musika, munko di na mama bob soccer. That day, you have to be concerned. One therapist. Ghana for your therapist. One therapist na hefun wo. Obi e bi so obi a question. As I say woman one a science. Well, into players no bia na as I say onya a personal coach and one coach one personal trainer and psychologist bia you assigned to be 2 or 3 people. Often be says oh na brabo to then ekoso then we yiri enkola mofra no to then e bia ne bakra yare da hospital a won adwiri mu ni ade on to me perform. Well, iti sa niama eye wo friend then niama keting o say sa niama keting na you know you feel say eye so little eye insignificant no actually no becomes the icebergs of championship winning. I'm telling you,
we can factor pa na it me winning.
Me say what for players no obi wa ko to me kan show because onye used to say obe open up. What you say? When you be in it, na say na ne kasa na we build a relationship of trust. Na obeje di no kan nsem kire eye kiti na bibi ha no. Mon crofo am ye adwuma studio hey. Ya ni obi atena se ne ye business o na den na ekoso. You be surprised ni ama wo be yi aba say ha won. So obi a ne won enka sa asem no. But no na e create to be to go from master performance to rare air. Okay. Michael Jordan nti na no ye rare air no. What you say? Kona ko bisan, ko kan ni books na he nti ye rare air. We ye rare air, you go into a different one of my friends say world championship thinking. No, different no. And yes, we need I didn't do be anim you. But to perform at that level, no, beyond physical. Okay. What you say? Mental.
Yeah, like I say, psychological motivation.
Sanity. Well, and it involves so many other factors. And yes, sika sa money sika. As I want to hear wofi na oba wo discuss to tables you say oh je na fakoto aduane ade oba wunchia oba on ne nkasa ne birthday wo mfa no nko out ne ade oba aduane si won so ani je ni aware no oh ba ko na ne birthday oh babe ma to flowers o wadwum sa no wa order flowers akoma ne ade na wo show say wo
town no sa ne mo nyina
no media mo di mo Ghana be ye de
Ghana be start of granting my catchro me gusu a me catchro me say wo pese odwane na no no say number na that screen so no dwane Mr. Kofi Granting na ono so ne vision nyina no on fan to o ma eni abre say 2024 no so ebetu franka o independent candidate on dwane party bia oni party bia ni kaso bom what I say ne plans no and the vision o men na wonim the America no na wo ben nso a obuhu sampa visions na tore bia youth na menemo kasa mo na mo ani abre a say nyema nkoye onam kromo a wo so bia tam the first degree bo say she brown group mo opadwuma wo padwuma no so president wo so nyema nkoye fa ma but Mr. Kofi Granting ba no plans and vision o de ba no wonim anu nti ene bia make kasa no nya ntemase but a breast one me sure say but me Mr. Kofi Granting assembly we say parties nyina so mo beba according to electoral commission I say utumi enya offices all the 250 or something 75 and batch ni nyina na
eno ne ye party ye
party independent
no sa criteria na emfa
how are you going to do to cover all the regions in terms of say also by your campaign
how say your regional reps you were an executive board, a leadership group, all 16. Oh, of course, absolutely. One way grassroots, at the regional level. Into one last week, and if you come by this week, you have a Eastern region. If you Ashanti region, you have a Eastern region. Well, if you also you were a whole diaspora group, first, second week in September, no, you're New York, akoye presentations, our friend. Town hall meetings with young grassroots na wo ho no what I say nti baby awo na won so wo infuse niama ko grassroots na wo Ghana all the different regions so one wa preaching wo representation wo regions ni na nti ye be ko baby awo wi ase
no plans no super So which means say oh yes saying na pep talk no na go for et wase.
Absolutely. Esa we engage nkofo ni nipa hia na wo hu say won asem a hia won no nso eda wa akoma so. What you say?
When you say o man we mu no the wo pa problem wo pa penifoni ni problem man penifoni ni problem youth no e wo problem yi pa.
Of course.
Most especially say free education nkofo kwa na ekọ ko school na bebre na guso ekọ mu wie dodo no so na ewie plus ben na wo ma youth no especially say those on the streets plus ben pa na wo edema omo say na be ya sa omo street no hustlers no ne nyamane wa no omo nyina be free street ni so plus ben na wo mo
yeah say
unemployment na a problem pa
didn't I a problem they say adwuma ni system no see education has to be relevant. Free senior high school no education ain't relevant. Oh there be because near education is relevant no say nipa kono graduate nipa kono wie school or matriculate wie a nia wakosua na say industry to me absorb no ordinary ye bribi young systems you will say ya here infrastructure you here construction you here nipa in the medical field no ni ade no want to me absorb sa labor no infi mofra no ho so graduate wie a inti wo ba na wa kwetena fie adwuma no ebi ni wo kra na absorb won inti na America say number 1 $10 billion here require agriculture mu agriculture na nya so ne sekangu mechanized agriculture no ye require a whole different level a drone controlled mechanized agriculture irrigation systems inti agriculture no ye bewo medical side ye bewo research and development ye bewo engineering ye bewo transportation ye bewo biological side ye bewo chemical side ye bewo production inti agriculture na ye a huge industry manufacturing bewo just say it will be 20 different areas of ye babe exploit inti ye hono na ba absorb youth no so na curriculums and so ye be ma wan change at the education level so na curriculums no be consistent with niama na oman ni hia na de atumpong no so na wo graduate a e be absorb wo school kra no nya letter say major ka ho na graduate na company retwen wo so na wo ye wa abrochiri ni wo school no mu a wo graduate no one your letter.
I think that those days in Ghana na e wo no.
Sir?
No those days.
Me hu bi da.
Okay.
Na sadness ne de ba be adwuma nti wo ba be recruit wo be hu na nkrofo bi ne na school mu a wa hyehyɛ coat ne ade wo say anahefu ni wo hwehwɛ no wa be adwuma kransa no wa graduate. Sir?
Nice vision and nice plans and openi Kofi Kratin. Ma catch o me say o 2 franca me adma 2024. I mean be say we na president for you number mutafa nkokra ma ekwahye position obi won ma na we 75 na akwahye position kwahye won mo a adwuma no onye nankwa na order wo time no wo ba fa nkokra na order hye positions no and I say the youth no na wo do mo be hye we just want to know that because
hey let's say listen obi aka you say me youth president me youth in Nambai because me person oh you yenying de yenying
56 sound
55
okay you are ready
to pia me dodo to bo ase 55 50 pia me tiko or the marriage to retirement by force so me nya no here 55 to bo ase na netine say munti asema me kan but you see age na hu hia but any age young epic aye wo say energy management. You see, say we need energy at age and we ye may I make a kolebu. We ye abofra now ye 20-year-old, 24-year-old. Now we ye on dialysis who 24 years no and who need us. Inti a energy management. Inti me 55 a median, me energy near bear 23.
Okay.
What do you say? You I want you what do you say? Because who did ye PMA, passive mental attitude, who mineralize your body. Niame who here says SSR trajectory no near the part so. Sani panos in here won't industry because maybe a very high energy. Well,
check your immune system number 30.
Immune system ni adwuma. What you say? Eno na support o. What you say? Into immune system say na make catch 60 minerals, 16 vitamins, 12 amino acids, 2 essential fatty acids. As I say, edi moja no ekoba na we physical activity. Na wa adwene so dey ye when we didi ye.
But Ghana dey be the 76 na initial position. 76 na.
And Americans see, it's free now. No, and here say what industry. You see, the entire Obia where the 76 or a process or way in say, oh, here and Sase Konano. Inti na Bruchi where and say what purge mo and now what reposition we say when ye Jumana. What was social systems are accommodate mo. Inti na every month be I will check now binya. So now and yet a hot chrimu inti no feel a need say we feel. Sa age now be juma. Debi because after 60 no, why accumulate so much in our journey say, wo be a master copy. Abruchi wa free be master copy. Just say what years of experience no. As I say, what the mamufra no. Until we create a system through na be say developmental hubs and SBA small business administration and no where your training academies are build the youth. Now prepare one for life industry. What you say? Inti hono na sample you for no call maybe twice a week no one koye pepper yi wakoye talks be wo hono TED talk. Now what the training crofoni ade. But once you can win no, they don't need to be at the forefront of okono the youth ni won. As see a build your youth. Make na ye the youth ko abrochiri. You fly one ko Singapore, near one ko Japan, near one ko Germany. One who life never now. One on one by
we are candidate no you to nation power. Candidate
I idea my dream say mom youth. Mom can say me
no more money abrepa.
Youth wunti asema meka. There were 16 regions for now. So 16 regions universities also no any tertiary institutions also. You be pound crofu wom ebia nipa 100 from every region. Mwa na mobeye criteria for selection no. Ye you won ya fly mako abruchiri. Mako di 3 months ho no mako hwe ne wa abruchiri.
Mako hwe nim diaba.
Oh, because tio adwene ne mubue na we exposed now. Wo ba ehun hia se Kofi Krante se mbegina na me you first yes wo ba wo na wo hold me accountable say ne ye pe.
Asama okay at the panty or CC and mommy come messages no remember was
me person who hold me accountable say me Kofi Krante say obey president sikana what to SUVs V8 120,000 one SUV no you be invest in the youth near mama kwa abrochiri 3 months mako da 5-star hotel and yet hotels bodwa wa hayo 5-star hotel with the one or the breakfast in bed what they are bro would you say you see to me and they say
no have
of course, I was just telling you who send the real between the nako. Number when you high expectation, because we be a uba who make us say na Kofi Krante who kasado do na udwa wanum. Who konako who say Kofi would dream isha. Ye fanko ye besi ahead of Dubai, ye besi ahead of Singapore. Meka na fe ubaka say Kofi no kra na can you shado do ye fanko 100 years ahead.
Right.
What you say?
Okay, the way I can there no. Mami come messages no so say mo church on sempa enti no Pius Salasi I say pasama wo kan so the wo kan the day say wo ba na so wanya e dey na Ghana for youth na nyew.
Let me see. First of all, Ghana for youth no. Mo nya bystanders so.
Okay.
Mo nya by mo ka de no ho. Mo na ye de ba ba ya de no. Enti me read to me ne mo wo hotel ye wo Flagstaff House. More honoma, more place to say, Kofi can't ask me or in so. Moya sa na mo na more your man bofo. Munti na mekani. Money yedem baba ya de no. Money yedem mo baba ye. Me fan kofa osafo mafo no mo me ye hwe.
Well, osafo mafo mo nyino. Ana.
We fa won ye hwe. Ye very tight ankrofo ni na no atena fie no ahome. Wa akọbọ golf ni ade. Wo de ye behwe won. Wo ti akufu ado no na ye do no be permanent vacation. Onko baby. There's no question Afghanistan.
Right, now I'm reading messages to make a crowd. Philip Bochi will say good morning to you all. PSHS, remember one more. Really the
students are really suffering in various senior high schools. Okay, me sure say opening no tie beka kasa afa honum kakra. Please tell him we need action. I know we are hungry and we are pious. And if you are Friday or say watching you live, okay, what should we do to you if yes, I don't know, maybe something that. Keep the fire burning. I love the show. Uja. We used to say why and why. Okay, I don't know. It's a complete sentence. No, it's a hormone. Now, what plans does he have for the youth? Okay, Wakan was that. Would he choose a youth and sports minister who is 70 years old? Sports minister who is 70 years old. I want to remember how body more fire. We so message or the abandon say I like your show. Okay. We used to say good morning. This is Kofi La Paz. I like your show. Okay. A message is no ban eba. KK Kaswa. I say good morning. Okay. I want to and count messages no eba. But I mean, if you want more Koswa no famra HYTVGH. HYTVGH. Ha. We call search engine. Oh, Facebook page one more. And I say wait to make follow no. After when your notification, like a page in share, like it, not share, maybe I should quit. So I can command check one. Mr. Quantin now wait me uncle. Now Obi Bisase, over far sports minister with 70 years and and Obi so question now Obi San. But yeah, we me for we interact to cry. Now, Jane project, and now we just see when the swap, and now swap. Often say, oh yeah, you to know, say, no money na edu ntuma ebabo ntuma
agriculture munti asema me kan yi obia we ba be pese we lead Ghana na one for agriculture anye wo central vein policy no wonim na woreka and na Ghana nso ntumi inye sika ntua ne 400 billion cedis of debt no. Agriculture should be the main central vein of yen development because, as I say, yen build industries. 99% of yen domestic market is absorbed by foreign aid. How do you reverse that? President, president in Abisa, nobody talks about sending able to me absorb yen 400 billion cities of debt. Obianka, because bonim send necessary work. As I see, you create a new middle class. New middle class, and how do you create it if you don't have the environment to attract them? Kofi Kranten pen or idea. Any money, why didn't you 1 year? Baumiane chairman thing 1 year economic destruction team. One economic destruction team, no, they had access to all the money or we need. 1 year Kufuor and them when they make decisions. And the other now, our good ideas. We aren't what trains what persuade president and son what the ideas number. I don't more access to all the funds. Bibia, Jana Munya ni say, we need plans. Bibia, what do you a fact. What you say? Into the different. They say we're going to empower the youth.
Okay. So right. We don't find out where they're bringing to know. Find out where youth in the sense that youth know. Here powerful find out where they are. Almost be to imagine John. No matter
Hey, youth. My final words. Look at me. This is your moment of destiny. Say, nearby become hey, and your politics a fight for your life. If you say we are youth now, understand one thing: you are an endangered species. So what Ghana? We are an endangered species. We see from now who says here anything can happen to you. Bibia ni Ghana ebetumi akora ebetumi asomu na protect wo. No, and that's what I catch them. And that's so many of we near Juma, we need sika okutukum. Cars and we need sika to me take part in. We are an endangered species. We are now hospital. A blue crowd one APC near paracetamol crobacus in Konakoto. Inti as I say, ye change. We don't have a choice here. 400 billion cedis na your debt, no. What and don't worry bequeath to you. And don't worry Jawa mount. In Penyufuna wa be boss akan, worry Jawa no to her amount. Ebe den se wo nie adwuma ebe den no wan tumi ayeden atua saa 400 billion cedis of debt no ebede na wo watumi atua wontumi ntua because wo ni adwuma nti in America no say 2024 would be the last point SSA you make change you make it change you buy another Sri Lanka you buy another size of Sri Lanka ni na show na Sri Lanka go through ni na Ghana we show same symptoms nti wouldn't say Sri Lanka is upon us. You have the chance 2024 kofigranting.com kofigranting.com get involved join Yang on Telegram on WhatsApp Facebook Yang handles ni now kofigranting.com Yang WhatsApp number na da hono but kona kokan Yang policies na say oh ampa say sa papa yi asemo kanu adwene ni nyansa wuma oh na beka yen ho na yan build na ko build the WhatsApp platform na yen kofigranting/baby awote wo neighborhood we kura baby awo no na fa wo contacts na aguso na yen starting conscientize one yen prepare one for 2024 memo bia me dada no man 50 cedis and 100 cedis koto man because wo koto man wo future na share matchbox room and wadre mouse coding wo bebre
right not just Mr. Kofigranting no a very serious issue and they are to the man especially say we a bebru a ugina won aso pa na so wo hwe bibia ye na won sa no hwi obi kan green hand na say hwi ni hono a we e basade a na ya sem kese pa na obi ese ne wo wi ukasara na obi send message bi ye fa ntwa to kra o say SHS no ni say na kwa say agi gon kakra eni ma nkoyi mfa ma wo mo edu ba bi kwa aduane kwa ye mfa mre wo mo enti no sisi a no wo mo nye dai you know
and na Erica say young yerba because free SHS na fail and na erin to me nye bio what you say
it me nye bio
and to me nye bio because you see the concept of giving free education no always good but as I say free education no it has to come with relevant education relevant curriculums so say na wo graduate wo matriculate bewia wo betumi use nia wakosua na wo de wo ho abamfa so wo society mu nti work say free education now koye wo free education wo go school 2 months now take a break 3 months then na wore ye emiani na wo kono pi no wanyenyenyem so ti ase share information in na wo school phone ne wo circle of friends obi an who say this is the new paradigm for your life as I say yes sir wo shebre no eni NDC na eni MPP wo Kofigranting na apamfom now we have to change into share some information ni kofigranting.com and let's change it free SHS yebema edimu yebema curriculums na aye relevant say na wo graduate ya wo benya adwuma aye enya adwuma te say wo friend den wo friend den wo prapra kwan ho and not to say wo prapra kwan ho na wo pra kwan ho kra mpo a abrechi wo pra kwan ho wo nya sika se wo at offices so ti ase wo pra kwan ho a Zoom Lion 120 cedis Zoom Lion kra ntua won ka wo ti ase abrechi wo pra kwan ho a wo nya sika $30-40 an hour na wo tua oh you
okay
hey garbage collectors they wo nya garbage collectors they
right it's no Mr. Kofigranting me that's a pa
opinion that's HY TV so ase yedamase yebes mu besen hu view yedase pa
you to no so efe wonim pa
won hwe yen se won tini wa ha
sisi an me de
na so kan so
Abraham tumu de kwa majuwa tumu kwa majuwa tumu de me ha on kra me kwa campaign gidi de ma wa ja se any party bi ani asem nti adwuma ne bebo pa sa se o mu jinjina nyina o ma father with sa agofo ni na o mu no mu ni asem
akonfo nko akofo
no ye no bebo adwuma waba ne ye no bebo adwuma pa once again Mr. Dawson
yedase ye be say share view
right
by all means
good na che say Mr. Kofigranting and we say nkano yes obecheche ni mum e di amount ni gidi pa say wo so youth a wo hwe na nsem a wo tie no wo so be futu sem kese di amount na be hwe so na be so tina ko say 2024 ni die Mr. Kofigranting
Mr. Kofi Cranton.
Kofi Cranton.
No,
the Mr. in the background.
Okay.
Kofi Cranton.
It's simple. Kofi Cranton. I say Kofi Annan. Simple. Maybe I say it's not for you. Now, because you piano 55. Oh, your body is what? Body way. Body now, what you more? Energy or one cassa. If you didn't pay you must my day and you pay family. The giddy said, in do one moment. No one is GDB. In do 24. No one is GDB. 20 back now. You say you want right for now, dear. Yes, person, yes, person. Yes, for funny moments, you know. It's like a boss you are, for funny moments, you know. Right, it's you know not to say funny video, no. You can dance. I wait to be no, or say or not sweating. Now, obey bias. After saying bias, you have to say.
Hey, coach, vamos. Vamos, Vijaba, grote. Krij. Hey, Salah, Salah, vamos, Vijaba. Проблема с мен нещо пред по-грели ги бе, Салат си прости. Ай, кой край папа флекър?
Айде 3-0.
Айде бе, стюпи му главата на този заребе мангал бе. Къде го гоните съдята? Абе, Грек го бута, бе, Грек го бута.
Изгори го, бе, той отива като тока.
Абе, червен, излизи от тука, бе.
Hey, coach, vamos.
Vamos, Vijaba, grote. Krij. Hey, Salah, Salah, vamos, Vijaba. Абе, брат, проблема с мен нещо пред по-грели ги бе, Салат си прости. Ай, кой край папа флекър?
Айде 3-0.
Айде бе, стюпи му главата на този заребе мангал бе.
Fantastic, and I just like I said, every message, you know, it's me a buy, you know, and prepare me, you know, and Mama Kunyana must my friend, I'm going to share your She was saying, I'm here to my Enchaquano, the dynamic sports, no, ever, and no, a dab brother, anything that water, and a diamond that you better ask enough for the dynamic sports, area, but none dear, and me pound for the way to maintain, but be asked me, I could moi send message na asra ke send komam mo ko so a na mo hwe HYTV na mo nso mo ko Facebook no so a mo ko so an like page no na mo share mo like page na mo share mo ko YouTube no so a mo like page no na mo share na HYTV so etina ko ye share no se nya me atuma next week and I say Monday e ko ne de ye o janko a morning show e hase news and so eba solid production from Monday ko ne de anu a she that be to me carrying ancho news na eba no mo hye what I say so and a morning show no so no kiki aye ni bre so ankasa for Monday going programs no I dey ahye no wakasa oba feel travel and you know I started here cause one na hwe na bibia so ntimi enkoyi mo mo hwe so asra kese enkomo mo pa right na jemu na fi maso so dia bigino I Solomon Opati Toronto the sports governor and production team no boy juma papa camera man no Mr. Nanaya and a pious omutumi eto niam yi pa e wo chiro saso na okwamisi a wono so dia here PM programs manager General Masha niam saso and director na masa the way set boy juma no set so o MC room one boy juma na yi pa atenti niam the way omunyina do omwahim e boy juma no na chese omayade. What must say? What I say? Set so no. Set to cry CJN and a part of CJN. And so the way boy man, what I say? Man, so much video on Jim now. You have said me, his answers are it. Why is that ye? Right, I'm passing like I said, New York Estate. New York Estate. Omatama, and I made me dream of metri.
na afi metime ho krom na me da ensam na no etime edia bro wo hwe asase de no na New York Estate Mr. Sakode and Mrs. Sakode and I'm say bra HYTV hanomo na afi yembo nchiremu ye church kwa afa so obenya asase no best police kana man we Twitter kakra na bia so timi akoyi maso Bidino Eddie Solomon Party Tonto the sports governor Makram bye bye.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Yadi wadoka hwa Nije ka hwa Yadi ereshe mwa Yadi wadoka hwa Nije ka hwa Yadi ereshe mwa Ebe yefe Onyawude Aji
Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abeta Saki, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again.
So this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
Since the days of Emmanuel Clote,
we've been there.